Let it out. There it is. Yes, man.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me.
I love it. Just come and get that done.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not.
Hello, Dr. Clerge. MV Chiropractor. I'm here with Charlotte. I'm finally saying it correctly.
Yes.
I've been saying it wrong the whole time. It's been almost a year, June, right? Mm-hmm. Why do you wait so long?
Life be lifing. Life. You know, it's hard to escape life sometimes.
I don't know. That's like the excuse like people give you when they're like, when you say you can't call me for like, it takes like 2 minutes to call, and they're like, I'm busy. Like, I don't think nobody's that busy to give you a phone call. I don't think you're that busy for a whole year not to find a spot, right? to come in.
You're right. I gotta take better care of myself.
But you're extremely tight though.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do a few ranges of motion real quick, which we did already, but I want to demonstrate how tight you are.
Okay.
All right, so let's rotate. And this is where it starts to pull, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we're going to do the same rotation, but we're going to extend with the rotation. So, extend. And what's going on? Oh, okay. All right, let's go to the other side.
We all going back.
Right. I'm not as young as I used to be.
No,
don't go back on. Don't fall on me now.
What? We all gonna be on the
We'll all be on the floor, right?
together, confused.
Let's go to this side. I'm gonna rotate here. This side is a little bit better though.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're gonna rotate again, but then we're gonna add the extension to it. This one is not as bad as the other side. Okay, all right, okay. Let me have you, well, we already know the neck is stiff from the first, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this side is worse.
Yeah.
Let's have you on your stomach. Applying a little bit of pressure. Sore, stiff, tight. Okay. All right, so lift this whole leg off the table. That's as far as we go with that.
Do I call a lifeline and use this out here?
That's as far as you go with that, right?
Yeah, my glutes are tight.
Let's go to this side. That's as far as you go?
Yes, I'm tight, Doc. I'm in a gym. I'm gymming.
All right, let's have you come up and let's have you sit. We're going to start with the mid back, okay?
Yes.
And after that, we'll do lower back and then go up to the neck.
Okay.
You want to get the Ystrap today?
Sure, we're there.
Okay. So after we do the mid back, I have to have you sign the new consent forms, okay?
Okay, cool.
Raise both arms up. Handle like your fingers behind your head for me. Good. I have to reach into the space here.
Okay. Oh, I remember this one.
All right. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. Ooh.
I felt that one.
Yeah.
That felt great. The little dance.
Not too bad, huh?
No. We can keep it coming.
Keep it coming.
Yes. Oh, I feel like I'm standing up straight.
Right. A lot of tension relief on that one.
Yes,
right?
God, yes.
Yeah, it was super tight on this side too.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to do your lumbars. Now I know your lumbars don't pop loud like most people, but we're still gonna try to see what we can get with that. Okay. All right. So.
I feel like something about to happen right now.
You feel like something's about to happen?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna grab your arm like this here. Okay, good. Now bring your hip closer to me. There you go. That's good. That's good. All right. Okay. There you go. Good. I just need you to relax. Good. Yeah, it's tight already. I feel it. Deep breath. Let it out. There it is. Yes, man.
Doesn't normally happen.
Yep. We got you this time, right?
I need that switch.
That was good. Any pain?
No.
Yeah, like you're hard to adjust, especially your lower back.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. My little fat man. It's confused like I am.
That don't usually happen for you.
No,
though, right?
no, I was in dire need.
Yeah. Well, that you haven't seen me for like a year too.
I know.
Close to a year at least. Yeah. Not too bad.
No.
Okay.
Keep it coming.
Keep it coming.
Keep it coming.
Keep it coming.
Yes, bring the action.
Okay. So we got the lower back, we got the mid back, and now we're gonna do the neck, and then after that the Ystrap. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So we'll do the neck first. I need you to relax for me. Good. All right.
Hold on. I gotta
gotta
relax. I'm like, wait.
Like, why you tensing up?
I know.
You're like, you're supposed to be a pro though.
All right.
Right.
All right. Put that in my heel.
Woo.
I needed that. Oh my god.
Woo. See what happens when you wait a year?
I will never do that again. Man.
Not too bad?
No. So many need to go this way now.
Okay. All right, let's go to the other side.
Oh. I love it. Put that in my feet again. Oh, can I just come and get that done? Like,
and skip everything else?
Yes. Oh, God. Oh, yes. You
should feel loose, though.
I do.
Get up, move around. Let me know how you feel.
Oh, my God. Oh. Yes. I'm going to get on their nerves today at work. I'll be moving everywhere.
Not too bad?
Good. No, not at all. This is what I needed.
Yeah.
And you felt how tight it was.
How tight it was up top, yeah. And we got everything.
Yes.
One more time. One big breath.
Okay, why am I so nervous?
One big breath. Out.
Oh my God, that felt amazing. That's what I needed. I didn't scream.
Right, you didn't scream this time. Right.
I feel that decompression, like it elongated my spine in the back, like where all the
tension is.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I needed. I came just for that. Okay.
Not too bad?
No, not at all. I feel like a brand new person.
All right, let's have you sit up.
Okay.
There we go.
I can do this.
You cut the Holy Ghost?
I did. It's not normal, but I did.
You got everything went well.
Yeah.
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 Because usually you're too tight to get anything.
Yeah.
Your neck usually does pretty good, but like your lower back usually don't adjust as well.
Today it was like, hey, you got it, you can have it, you want it.
Right.
I feel good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's good. Moving really well.
Yeah.
Okay. So now Teyarna's going to take over with the stretches.
Cool.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if you ignite me. A road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
You've always been flexible?
He's back and better than ever. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure. It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.